Innovation has no limit. Every day, some tool in generative AI really makes me dumbfounded. Look at this tool called as aSim. This tool enables you to create apps on your phone, whether it is Android or iPhone, just with the help of LLMs using text prompt. Let me show you how. Just type anything here, like you can say, make me a chess game, and then create sim. It is going to create the simulation. You see it is working. Let's wait for it. And it takes around 45 seconds or so. So you just have to be patient. And there you go. Within a minute, it has generated me this game. And you can play with it, whatever. I mean, of course, you can just simply go to the settings and then you can enable hints here. And it has just given us the hint what to move, where to move. You see, it has moved. And then it is giving you this. You can simply, if the buttons don't work or if you want to change anything, you can simply type here that maybe change the background color to pitch black, and then remix your simulation. It is going to remix it, and then it is going to come up with a new app. And then similarly, you not only the games, but you can generate anything. Now, there is a very little information available how this has been created, but I will share what I have researched and checked out. I just try to backtrack it to see what is happening behind the scene. So this is not an open source project, of course. There is no code available, but if you want to use it on your phone, what you can do, you can simply go to this download button, and meanwhile you see it has changed it to black. How good is that? Anyway, so let me click on download, and from here you can either download it for your iPhone or for your Android phone. So coming back to this, so how on earth this is working? This is working due to API based models, as far as I can tell. Now the model which this person is using is that it's a combo of Llama 3.1 70 billion, GPT-4o mini, and Claude 3.5 Sonnet from Anthropic. Sonnet is doing almost all of the main coding generation, so all of the backend code which is being generated for the apps is being done by Claude 3 Sonnet. So this Claude 3.5 Sonnet is the one of the most performant member of Claude 3.5 model family. This Sonnet raises the industry bar for intelligence, outperforming a lot of competitors, even GPT models, um, through its performance, its benchmarks, and a lot of other stuff. The cost is a bit high, and that is what surprises me. That people are using it for free. You can use it for free too. I will drop the link to it in videos description. But so this guy is just copying all the cost, it seems, because this is not running locally. This is all using API based ones. Similarly, it is, as I said, so most of the coding is done by Sonnet, the backend code. The Llama 3.1 70 billion is also being used. That is being done for pre-processing and curation, and I think staging. Whereas the actual API where it is all running is being done by GPT-4o mini, that app themselves get access to. So this is amazing stuff. So what really enthralls me is that this person has joined the forces of three most performant models at the moment: Llama 3.1 70 billion, GPT-4o mini, and Claude 3.5 Sonnet. And then it is creating these apps very, very seamlessly. Also, I don't think so he's using any serving engine like VLLM or Olam or anything like that. It is simply using API based, and that is one of the harsher realities of the industry at the moment. That if you really want to build something like this, which actually works in production environment, then most of the time you would have to go with API based models. And because hosting 70 billion model Llama 3.1 or something like that, it's not easy. It is not easy to scale. It is not easy to make it performant, because all of these API hosting hyperscalers or all these providers, they have spent a lot of time in making it performant, optimized, load balanced, and all that stuff. So um, hopefully this person will share the code. We can only hope. And then if he does, I will try to see if we could install it locally, even with API based model. To be really cool to get this working on our local environment. Okay, now let's try to build another simple app. So I'm asking it build me this daily mood journal, and I'm going to ask it track your emotions and thoughts with a simple private journal, set reminders, view mood charts, and identify patterns. Click on create sim, and then it is creating it. You see, it is working at the moment. It just takes around 45 seconds. How good is that? Let's wait for it to come back. And there you go. It has generated this daily mode general. Let's click on settings cog. What it says, okay, buttons don't work. And this is, I think, calendar. And write your thoughts here. Okay, okay, so as soon as I do, maybe I'll just select this happy, and you see it has changed it. Amazing stuff. And we can save the entry. There is even history, there is even insights, and you can just say, for example, settings cog button doesn't work, and then remix it. It is going to make another iteration, and then it is going to fix it. This is simply out of this world. Because, and I really feel for the guy that he's paying for all these, because I do this every day with lot of LLMs and during my videos, and I can really relate to him that this can get very expensive very quickly. But I think he's also doing labor of love here. That is really cool stuff. I think I really wish that someone is going to buy this tool. This is simply amazing. And just think about it. It is not only generating it for Android, it is also generating it for iOS, which is really amazing. So let's click here. You see, now it works. How good is that? Okay, so I'm not going to spend more credits for this guy. And if you go to his first screen, you will see that there are already few of the apps there, like the Spanish quiz. There's a Wordle game. Then there is this score. There is hypnosis. Let's see what is hypnosis is. You see, this is a hypnosis. Good stuff. I'm just clicking on this and it is actually working. I'm just rotating it and it is working. Okay. I think I'm not going to play any further, but this is amazing. So I will drop the link to it in video's description. Play with it. Let me know what do you think. Maybe you can create an open source version of it and share with us. We'll be very obliged. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.